Welcome to Gdańsk, Poland, often called a fairy tale city, and it's easy to see why. We spent 3 days exploring its colorful streets and delicious food. If you're new here, we're Linny and Peter, and we're traveling the world for a year. We just got to Poland after exploring Portugal. A little windy here in Gdańsk. Let's hope this is easier than in Porto. What a guy. Adorable. We're in Gdańsk, Old Town now. Took the bus from the airport. I was like 40 minutes or something. We were gonna take another bus to get a little closer to our apartment, but it's only a 20-minute walk and we get to walk through this cute little downtown and don't have to try and squeeze on a bus that we don't know how to use the ticket system and embarrass ourselves on. I have literally no idea how to do this.
You did great.
Luckily someone was nice and showed me how to do it. Thank you. But that's just the beginning. It's only gonna get worse from here, I know, on this trip. Oh yes. Ooh, room tour. Bedroom, very nice. With a view of the river. Love that. The best view we've had so far. Got a view of the river. Ooh, cute little living room. That's where I'll be doing video editing. Right in front of the TV while Peter puts on soccer. I'll sit there and do video editing. Wow. Balcony. That's fun. Sit out there, have our coffee. I'm sure people normally use that for smoking, but...
There's an ashtray.
And where's the light? I always put the lights on the outside, which is so weird.
It's
European thing?
Old European thing.
It's pretty spacious. Kitchen. Small, sweet, all we need really. We're only here for 3 days. Perfect. What else we got? Easy bake oven. Shot glasses, perfect for the Jaeger that we'll inevitably be having. Our cute little home in Gdańsk for the next 3 days. But I'm ready for some rest time before we head out. It's been a long travel day. I haven't had water in like 12 hours. So that's task number 1. I just really like the light right now. It's really pretty. We decided to venture out for a drink, maybe some snacks, but it's been a long travel day and I'm exhausted. We got 4 hours of sleep last night. So I was like, I'm not bringing my big camera out. Like, this is gonna be cash. And I am regretting it so hard. Gdańsk is gorgeous and the perfect like golden light right now, and it might be rainy for the rest of our days here. Regret. Ah, it's so tall. Stretched. First drink in Poland.
Well, it finally stopped raining, so we gotta do what we gotta do and go get some dinner.
Yes.
We had pierogies for lunch, so there's only from the grocery store, made them at home. So there's only one real choice for what to get for dinner.
More pierogies.
More pierogies. You heard it.
Our first dinner here in Poland and in Gdańsk. We're at the top restaurant for, you guessed it, pierogies. And if you look behind me, you can see them making them, which is pretty cool. And what's extra cool is that once you place your order, they're making them fresh back there. So it could take up to 30 minutes to get them, but it'll be worth the wait. I know it.
Since we had to wait, we let her talk us into getting a soup. So we got, I forgot it already.
Sour rye.
We got sour rye soup. It's got little bits of sausage in it and potatoes and it's good. Wow. Oh.
So, what did we order? We got wild boar pierogies and chorizo pierogi, and they're both insanely good, but the chorizo especially, oh my god, so flavorful, so good. I thought 20 pierogies was going to be too much. I'm not worried about it.
You know us, you gotta get the traditional.
Let me show you the inside of one of these bad boys. Oh, look at that. You see?
In time, like a pencil drawn line, the race is too close behind, so it starts. Are you asleep, my friend? 'Cause I ain't been awake as much.
Just saw the coolest thing in Gdańsk. That bridge right there just spun accomplished. That's awesome.
I'm spinning like a ballerina.
Yeah, it was useful content right there. All that spinning for this little boat. I wish I was on that boat.
Can't try to pretend to explain all of these years I've got. Right out of it, this psychosis. Do you know the way this stops the
We got
Vishnika.
we asked the bartender how to say it. He got it cold, I got it warm. It's good. This is really good. I like mine more. So it's a sour cherry liqueur. Tastes like sour cherry liqueur.
But not too liqueur.
Not too sweet either.
end of my life, papers boring and white, like the reddest of lights. It stops. Waiting for whatever, and I have no doubt.
Well, it's the last full day in Gdańsk. We leave tomorrow morning. Don't have much planned. There's a Baltic Sail Festival going on, so maybe explore that.
Yeah, it's been rainy, unfortunately, during our time here in Gdańsk. Of course, the one nice day was when we got here, and I was exhausted, but we're trying to
And somebody didn't bring their camera out.
Yes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But we're trying to make the most of it and have our last night on the town. We're just kind of walking around. Like Peter said, there's a Baltic Sail Festival we're gonna check out. Maybe get ourselves a bite to eat, who knows?
Maybe get some ice cream. That was Lenny's idea though. Yes, it is cold, and yes, she did suggest ice cream. I don't know what's happening.
Not gonna lie, I didn't know that was ice cream.
Update, she didn't know it was ice cream. There's a couple places in town that sell the like Hungarian chimney cake, and she wanted one of those, and I was like, oh, well, they fill them with ice cream. She just wants the cake. She doesn't want the ice cream.
It's too cold.
That was my thought. That's why I was shocked.
Just walking around this Baltic Sail Festival, and we happened to luck out at the right time and saw a reenactment of, like, I don't know, them fighting off an Austrian ship, I guess.
Tutaj kolejne koła i nasza artyleria także daje
Oh my god.
odpowiedzieli ogniem. Proszę Państwa, nie piraci z Karaibów. 12 000 żołnierzy na pomoc kolejnych francuskich królów na amunicję. I dwa swoich Moskale zbliżają się coraz. Sumraty! Kim strzelicy! Cieszyłem. Myli, drodzy Państwo.
But that was so cool. I guess I have like cannon powder all over my face, Peter tells me.
She does. She was almost a casualty of war.
That was so cool. Really good pizza.
Ah yes, nothing like the sound of roller bags over cobble streets to let the entire town know the tourists are coming.
We're leaving.
Or leaving. So maybe it's a good thing for them.
Of course, the last 2 full days we were here were rainy and cold, and then the day we're leaving is sunny and warm. I'm sweating in my sweater right now.
Somebody's having a not good time.
I'm having a nice time. Iced coffee was in order, even though it's overpriced train station coffee. Wow. Wayne. The bar. What a guy. Train unlocked.
Next city in Poland, Kraków.
Can't wait. We've got a 5-hour train ride ahead of us. 5-hour train ride ahead of us, so I'll be getting some work done. Maybe finish our next YouTube video.
I'll be most likely taking a nap.
Important work.
Important work. So one thing I don't quite understand is why this side has not as big of overhead space as the other side.
Yeah.
Not that big of a deal.
No.
But also it then means that the backpack is down by my feet, and there's not a whole lot of room. But the views are pretty. Well, I did it. I got a beer. Of course, Lana gets to try my beer.
Of course. We made it after our 5-hour train from where were we?
From Gdańsk to Krakow.
Okay, yeah.
Kraków.
Obviously I'm tired, but that was a nice train ride, nice and easy. I got a lot of work done. And if you want to see the full apartment, our apart hotel, you'll have to wait for the next video and we'll give you the full room tour along with our 5 days in Krakow. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Zapraszam do foty,
Oh, damn. Stitch ruined my shot.
Zapraszam do zdjęcia ze stickerem.
What a bitch.
To be fair, I will also be working on saving the world and saving Princess Zelda.
Very important.
Important things.
Want to say where we're going, anything like that.